Our subject today is about welding and what type of welding is available. There are several types of welding process, each with its own application and advantages. Here is a list. Arc welding, gas welding, thick tungsten inner gas welding, MIG welding, metal inner gas, submerged arc welding, resistance welding, friction welding, plasma arc welding, electron beam welding, and laser beam welding. Now, in the major welding areas such as shipbuilding, piping, and steel fabrications and construction, the choice between laser welding and MIG welding with a flux cored wire depend on several factors, and each method has its advantage and considerations. Let's compare these two methods in the context of these industries. First, laser welding. Laser welding is a welding process that is use a laser beam to join two or more materials together. The laser beam provides a concentrated heat source, allowing for precise and controlled melting of the point of contact. This process is widely used in various industries for its ability to produce high quality weld with minimal thermal distortion. Advantage: precision. Laser welding provides high precision, making it suitable for intricate work, particularly in shipbuilding and piping. Speed. Laser welding is generally faster than traditional welding methods, potentially leading to increased productivity, which is beneficial in construction and fabrication. Cleanliness. Laser welding produces minimal spatter and can eliminate the need for filler material, contributing to cleaner welds. Reduce distortion. The focus heat input of laser welding can result in less distortion, which is an advantageous in application where a precise alignment is critical, such as in shipbuilding. Consideration: laser welding equipment tend to be more expensive up front and may require specialized maintenance. Material thickness. While laser welding can handle various thicknesses, it may be more suitable for thinner materials. Skill level. Laser welding requires specialized training, and operators need to be familiar with the technology for optimal results. Now, we go to the second type of welding, which is MIG welding. MIG welding with the flux cored wire, which is very popular everywhere in the industries because it is old since long time. MIG wire or metal inner gas welding using flux cored wire is a welding process that employs a continuous and consumable wire electrode, which is fed through a welding gun. This wire electrode is covered with flux, a material that produces a shield gas when heated, protecting the weld pool from atmospheric contamination. The process is sometimes referred to as flux core arc welding when using a flux cord wire. Advantage: cost MIG welding with the flux cord with wire is often considered more cost effective in terms of equipment and consumables cost, making it attractive in construction and steel fabrication. Versatility: MIG welding with the flux cord wire is versatile and can be used on a wide range of material thicknesses and the type, making it suitable for various applications in construction and fabrication. Easy of use: MIG welding is generally easier to learn and adopt, making it suitable for industries where skilled labor may be more readily available. Outdoor use: MIG welding can be performed outdoors, making it practical for construction application. Consideration: spatter MIG welding with a flux cord wire can produce more spatter compared to laser welding, which may require additional cleanup in certain applications. Heat input: MIG welding with the flux cord wire generates a broader heat affected zone compared to laser welding, potentially leading to more distortion in thicker materials. Speed: while MIG welding is generally fast, laser welding can be faster for certain applications. In industry like shipbuilding, construction, piping, and steel fabrication, where a balance between cost, speed, and quality is crucial, MIG welding with the flux cord wire is often preferred. The versatility, ease of use, and lower initial investment, making it a practical choice for many applications. However, it is essential to consider the special requirement of each project and consult with welding professionals to determine the most suitable based on the project's unique needs and constraints. For more information, as you see, there are really good type of welding for construction and for piping and shipbuilding. In this case, if you need more information, kindly contact the address in the description of this video. Thank you very much.